Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I will show you how we can insert your SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, which can be found in the box that the device came in, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. From there, if you have a case on, you'll need to take it off. Once you take it off, the tray can be found at the bottom of the phone. As you can see it right here. And the pin to take out the tray is the one that is on the far edge. So right here. Now, once you find it, push the pin in. And as you will see, the tray will just come out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it and take it out. On the tray you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. Now you can occupy both of them at the same time or one of them. If you're planning to use one of them, it doesn't really matter which one you place the card in. So both of them will work just fine. From there, insert it back into your phone and the card should start working immediately, which it is for me. As you can see, it's prompting me to put in my SIM pin to unlock the SIM card, and once I do, as you can see, there it is. So that is how you can insert your SIM card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.